and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you a Dollar Tree haul. I am so excited to show you some of the fun things that I picked up for only $1 at the Dollar Tree. My first absolutely favorite thing that they have there are these cute little planters. They almost look like something from a French farmhouse. So I thought that this would be really perfect to make just a beautiful shabby chic floral arrangement in. I think I'm even going to paint mine white. And to go inside of my planters, I also picked up at the Dollar Tree these perfect little kind of squarish foam blocks. I got 2 of them, and they're just going to fit perfectly down inside of this planter. I'll hot glue them to the bottom and then create my floral arrangement on top of that. So the next thing that I found at the Dollar Tree that I thought would go great with my little floral planter project are these burlap ribbons. There's actually 9 foot on these ribbons, and they're kind of hard to find. I don't always see them in there, but when I see them, I grab them because they just make beautiful ribbon with, or not ribbon, but beautiful bows, and they're wired, and so that makes just the perfect bow. And if you guys like to make bows, you know what I'm talking about. And so there's lots of ribbon on there. I'm gonna make a big beautiful bow to go with my planter. I also picked up some of this burlap ribbon. Now this looks more like burlap to me. It's not great to make big bows with, but it is nice to mix in with your ribbon that you're going to make a big pretty bow with. So I'm going to use my bow maker, and I'm going to make some pretty bows to go in with that floral. Also, the next thing that I found that I thought was really cute at the Dollar Tree was this love sign. This is like a canvas wall art by Special Moments Memories Collection, and I just really liked the Shabby Chic kind of turquoise green that it came in, and I thought it would be perfect to put down inside of a wreath. And then maybe even make like a big pretty bow to go on the side of the wreath, and some pretty florals in it. So I just thought that was really nice. They have all kinds of wall art, but this was my favorite. It even comes with a little clasp on the back that you can just hang it right on the wall if you choose to do that. The next thing that I found that I was really excited to find were these lovely candles by Old Williamsburg. I found several different scents. So these are the jar candles, and let me try and see if I can see how big these are. These are the 3-ounce jar candles. They have a really nice fragrance to them, and I was so excited when I got them home this morning. I started out my morning burning the cinnamon bun. So I found the cinnamon bun, the watermelon, and also the raspberry. And I even had my son smell them because he loves candles too, even though he doesn't really burn them. He thought that they smelled really good as well. And I will tell you that while I was burning the cinnamon bun this morning, it made my whole house smell really wonderful. So I was super excited to find these. I haven't splurged on candles in a while. So I really like to you know, just light a candle before I start crafting or whatnot. And they come in these cute little mason jars. So I think when I'm done burning this candle, I'm going to use it for a craft project or even craft storage. So I feel like I kind of got a 2-for-1 on those. The next thing I found were these cute little tassel keychains. And so I got one for myself for my car. Of course, they had my favorite pink. And I just thought those were really cute. I don't know how high quality they are, but for $1, just to kind of give you that little lift when you're getting ready to go somewhere and you grab your keys, I thought those were really sweet. And then I got, this is my daughter's favorite color, so I got her one in this kind of shabby green, and then I also got her a palm, and she's going to use these on her backpack or her lunch box. So I thought those were really nice for $1. And let's see, the next thing I found, and this is going to go along with my planter project, is I found some Dollar Tree florals. And I really like to buy florals from the Dollar Tree just to mix in with some of my higher quality florals. I think is a really nice thing. So this is what they call Tweedia. I guess I'm saying that right. I'm probably not. Let's see, here's the Tweedia. So it came in pink and white, and I think that's going to be really sweet down inside of this planter, just to give you guys a little bit of a visual. And then I've also got some dogwood. Of course, I'm gonna like de-stem these and make a pretty floral arrangement in the planner. And then I also found some hydrangea, which the hydrangeas at Michael's are really expensive. Of course, you get them in a fuller bundle, but I just think that these are really nice. You can also, you know, take them off individually if you're doing a smaller craft project or whatnot. And then I also found, of course, my favorite pink roses. And I like with the pink roses from the Dollar Tree to take just a little bit of glitter to add to them. I think that kind of helps them stay longer and also gives them kind of a sparkling effect. And then for the back of this floral, I'm going to use I think it's Gladolia. I'm probably not saying that right either, but I just thought that would be pretty kind of to offset some of the pinks. And just some more pink roses and hydrangeas. In all, I spent probably a total of about $9 on my florals, but I think it's just going to make a really sweet project. And then whatever I don't use, I can use in a wreath or something else like that. So the next thing that I found were just some kids snacks, and I pack my kids lunches every day, and so I like to find kids snacks that are already pre-packaged and maybe just something different. So I picked up these iced animal crackers. It looks like there's several packages in here. I believe six packages of animal crackers. They're probably not the healthiest thing in the world, but just for a little snack, I thought that would be great to give them something different in their lunches. And for my son, he loves the extra polar ice gum, so I wanted to pick him up a couple packets of that just to have to put into his car or, you know, in his backpack or whatever. He also loves wonderful smelling laundry. I know that's funny, like that my teenager has a preference on laundry, but I know he loves the bounce, and I don't use dryer sheets that often, but I just want to pop them into some of his towels or clothing. That way he'll get that nice fragrance. Max also loves whales, and so I picked him up a box of whales because he likes to throw these in his backpack when he goes places like on a trip or whatnot. And so I just thought that would be good for him for snacks. Also, my family is super addicted to stacks, the Lay's stacks. We love these, and they're always like $1.50 or, you know, a little bit more or less depending on where you're shopping, but they're never $1 anymore. They used to be $1 at Walmart, but they're not. So I went ahead and grabbed a couple of these, and I'll also use these in the kids' lunches. And then I don't know if you guys have had the same thing going on in your home, but we have had just crazy amounts of allergies. So I've been trying to keep tissue on hand for sniffly noses. And so actually at our Dollar Tree, I found puffs. And so I thought that was kind of a good deal because it's a nicer tissue, and then we can just have this, we can put it in the car or just wherever. And then I also picked up for our sniffly noses some to-go tissues. I wanted to get something like really cute with like a Disney character on it or something, but I realized that my husband and my son could probably use these too, so I just got plain ones. That way they can take the green or the blue or the gray, and Sis and I can have the little pink ones. Also at the Dollar Tree, I went ahead and picked up some Mother's Day cards. I am really bad at waiting until the last minute to get Mother's Day cards, and I wanted to get some nice ones because a lot of times the nicer ones will be sold out. So I got this one with a little vintage bike on it for my mom. She loves vintage things, and I thought that would be really sweet. And then I got this one for my mother-in-law that says, "May God's grace fill your world, bless you with blessings of heaven above." And she loves Christian sayings, and so I just thought that would be nice for her. And then the next thing that I found, which I don't usually see at the Dollar Tree, is packing tape. And I use a lot of packing tape for my Etsy orders, and so I just wanted to have an extra one of these on hand because I know we're running low on some of our tape. And let's see, the next thing I found, which I thought was awesome, which I also use a lot of, are these pink gemstone stickers. It says that there's 315 in the packet, so that should last me quite a while. I know a lot of my ladies really like to see the pink gemstones on their projects, and so I just thought that would be great to use in with my craft stuff. And the next thing that I found, which I've really been needing, is this magnetic list pad. And this just says to-do list, and it has, you know, a pie and a cake and a little cherry. I love writing notes for myself or for my ladies in their packages, or for my kids. I'll write them a sweet little note and put it on their pillow. And I just thought that that would be perfect. I can keep it on the fridge. It's got a little magnet on the back, and that way I don't lose my list. Because if I don't buy one with a magnet on the back, I'm always losing my list. So the next thing I wanted to try, which I don't know if you guys have seen this floating around YouTube, but I saw a video that a lady did, and she took one of these scrubby pads and she put some Dawn dish soap down in it, because there's like a little spot here, which I have never actually used these before. But the way she used it to clean her bathroom tub made it look magical, y'all. So I am hoping that it's going to make magic happen in my bathroom tub as well. We shall see. So I know you have to use the Dawn dish soap, and you just put some Dawn dish soap down in here. And you fill it, I believe, about halfway. I don't know. Don't quote me on that, because I'll need to look at her video again. And then you put some white vinegar down inside of here, and then you can magically clean your bathtub. Hopefully that is going to work. It looked really great when she did it, so I'm guessing that hopefully that should work on ours. So I'm going to give that a whirl. That's part of my spring cleaning. So the next thing I picked up was this quilted northern. It is 4 double rolls, equivalent to 8 regular rolls. We go through a ton of toilet paper, and this is one of the last ones of these left. I should have picked up a bunch because now they're gone, but this should be a little backup for our bathroom. Also, I've really been needing a spray bottle. I mix, for my cleaning products, I mix Dawn dish soap and vinegar with water, and I just like this cute little pink top that this one has. So I'm going to use this for my cleaning. Y'all know I've been doing a lot of spring cleaning. And then they also had the Palm Olive 12.6 fluid ounce. I thought that was a good deal, and the scent is raspberry coconut, and it smells so delicious. I love raspberries, I love coconut. I would have never thought to mix those two together, but I really like how it smells. So now I'll be stocked up on dish soap. And the next thing I wanted to try, I haven't ever tried these before. These are the makeup cleansing wipes from the Dollar Tree. I'm hoping these work fairly well. They say they're hypoallergenic, pH balanced, not tested on animals. But recently we went on vacation and I forgot my makeup remover, and so I had to use extra virgin cooking oil from the kitchen to take off my makeup. So even if these don't work super great, I'm going to keep them around just for travel. They were only $1, so if they don't work, it's not the end of the world. Comment and let me know if you guys use those and what you think. So then the next thing I picked up was this little pedicure gift set. I love to put special gifts in my ladies' packages, and I just thought this would be really nice, and it's pink, so I thought that would be sweet for my ladies who are my buyers. And then this is something I have never tried before, but I'm going to give it a whirl. So I bought Dollar Tree fake nails. I really wanted to get some of the cute French tip ones, but they didn't have those. So I just picked up, this says 20 natural nails, active square, so they're not super long. But I'm going to try these out. And then I bought the pink nail glue. And so hopefully it'll kind of make it look pink underneath. And then I also got this Wet n Wild French white cream polish. I'm going to try that on the nails after I put them on and just see how that works. So last but not least, I got one of these nail grooming kits. It has a little cuticle push back thing, and it has a little file in it. I'm just going to use that for my nails. I just like how cute and pink it is. And then here's a funny thing that they had at our Dollar Tree. They had free magazines, and it is for the royal wedding. So I got to come home with Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, and I'm just gonna throw this in my bag to have something to look at while I'm waiting to pick up the kiddos. It was free, so why not, right? And then another thing I picked up for my daughter is she loves to write notes. She's kind of like me. She likes to stay organized. And so I found this cute little cactus notebook, and what I liked about it is it had a little pen holder in it. So I think cactuses and pineapples are all the rage right now. I just thought that would be super sweet for her. And the other two little goodies, these aren't like essential items, but they're just funsy items. And I know pineapples are all the rage right now. And so I picked up, Alyssa loves pineapples. So I picked her up this cute little pineapple bag. How cute is that? It's just a little tote. It is not super high quality, but I'm thinking just to have like a bag to throw her swimsuit in, maybe some flip-flops and some sunblock. This will be perfect. I think even it'd probably fit a small towel. So it goes with that pineapple theme. It's just a fad. So I thought for $1, why not? And then to go along with her little pineapple surprise, I got her You Are the Pineapple of My Eye. She can put this in her bedroom. She's got some of these kind of colors in her bedroom already with the yellows and the corals, and so excuse me, I just thought that would be really sweet in her bedroom. So that's it for today's Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys got inspired to pick up some spring goodies for your craft room or for your home. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button and give this video a like, and we will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile. It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. Taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been.